Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to update Omio app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. So updating the Omio application is very important to access new features and for smoother performance. So if you want to do that, tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in Omio. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Omio and tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now you can see two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Once the application has been updated, instead of update option you'll be able to find the option for open. That means you're using the latest version of the application now. So that is how you update Omio app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.